Hi everyone, it's Natasha of natashaskitchen.com, and today I am sharing our secrets for the best homemade cheeseburgers. We partnered with Beef, It's What's for Dinner on behalf of the Beef Checkoff to show you how to make the ultimate juicy burger. Before we get started, I want to share a great beef resource with you. So say you have some ground beef in the refrigerator and you don't know what to make for dinner. Well, Beef, It's What's for Dinner came up with a new tool called Chuck Knows Beef. It can be accessed through chuckknowsbeef.com, through your Google Home, or Amazon Echo. Alexa, ask Chuck Knows Beef for ground beef recipes.
Here are some recipes to tempt your taste buds. 1. Beef spaghetti pile. 2. Greek-style beef and cheese ravioli. 3. Beef and vegetable fried rice.
Chuck Knows Beef is a smart resource on all things beef. But before we get to the beef, it's important with burgers to have all your toppings and sauces and buns ready so that when those burgers come off the grill juicy and so delicious, everything is ready and you can enjoy them hot. So we're gonna do the toppings right now. You'll need half a head of green leaf lettuce and cut that into pieces that'll fit the bun. Now cut 1 large tomato into 8 thin slices. You'll need about 2 slices per burger. Thinly slice half of a red onion, and we love red onions for burgers because they are more mild in flavor and not overpowering when you take a bite. We love this thick sliced medium cheddar cheese to make the cheeseburgers extra cheesy. When you go to the grocery store, there are so many options for buns, but today we are using a soft potato bun. Generously butter the cut sides of all of your buns. You can use softened or melted butter. We will be toasting the buns later to ensure they don't get soggy. Now let's make the secret sauces for these burgers, and I'm going to share with you all of our favorite combinations. The first is mayonnaise mixed with a teaspoon of yellow mustard. The second is mayonnaise mixed with Dijon mustard. Each of these have really good flavors. The third is a simple fry sauce, which is mayo and ketchup. And the fourth is my favorite with mayo and barbecue sauce. These are so easy to whip up and really fun to serve all of them at a party. Once your toppings are prepared, preheat your grill to medium. And last but not least, we will make the patties. The very best burgers are made with 80/20 ground chuck beef. The 20% fat content is perfect to ensure a juicy burger. And if you have a meat grinder and can grind your own chuck, that's even better. Divide the beef into 4 equal pieces. Shape each patty to be about 1 inch wider than your burger bun, since they do shrink a little on the grill, and try not to overwork the meat. Once your grill is preheated, season the patties generously with salt and pepper on both sides. Salt changes the structure of proteins and toughens burgers, so do not salt the ground beef until you are ready to grill. And season more than you think, since some of that seasoning will stick to the grill. And last but not least, make a little well in the center of each patty. That little well will prevent the patty from puffing up too much in the center, and it's a good clue for letting you know when the burger is ready to be flipped. Place the patties onto the hot grill. Grill for about 3 to 5 minutes per side, and it really depends on how hot your grill is. To get them just right, use a thermometer to check the internal temperature. Alexa, ask Chuck Knows Beef how long until burgers are done.
Ground beef should be cooked to a safe and savory 160 degrees Fahrenheit.
You can see the juices accumulating, and we have a good sear so we can flip the burgers. Cover and cook until the internal temperature of the beef registers at 160 degrees Fahrenheit. These are perfect. The cheese is melty and the buns are toasted. Beef is just a delicious, nutritious, and high-quality protein, and there is no other protein like beef for making the best burgers. All right, it is party time. And I want to get to building these burgers because I like my burgers hot and juicy. So we'll start with our toasted buttery bun. And then you get to pick your sauce. And my very favorite one is this barbecue one, so that's exactly what we're gonna use. And the trick is to be generous. Nobody likes a dry burger. So put on a lot of sauce. We'll call it secret sauce. Except there's no secret here. The secret is it's easy. All right, that looks good. And one thing I forgot to mention earlier is I love pickles on my burgers. So I'll put that on the bottom bun. I love that little salty, crunchy, tangy bite. And makes them a little more restaurant style. Okay, now lettuce, and I love a lot of lettuce, so we're gonna layer this. That looks good. And then 2 giant slices of tomato. All right, it already looks amazing. And we haven't even gotten to the beef. Okay, and then some fresh red onion. But it adds a nice vibrant pop of color and flavor. Okay, now, the best part, the beef. Okay, while the cheese is melty and it's warm and juicy. Dun, 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 dun. Yum. Look at that. And I'm feeling good right now because I get to do this taste test. Wow. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's like as big as my head. Look at that. Okay, here we go. Oh, I'm a little intimidated right now. Okay. Oh. I love how the natural flavor of the beef really shines in this recipe. Wow, tender, juicy, so flavorful. Oh my. Beef, it's what's for dinner, literally. I mean, look inside of this burger. It is so juicy. Oh, you need napkins with this. And then just indulge. It is so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give us a great big thumbs up below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Hey, before you go, Chuck Nose Beef also tells good jokes. Hey Alexa, ask Chuck Nose Beef to tell me a joke.
What was the bull doing in the pasture with his eyes closed? Bulldozing.
Get it? Hey, let me know what are some of your favorite burger toppings in the comments. And if you love grilling recipes, check out some of our all-time favorites right over there and right down there, and click below to subscribe. And when you do, click that little bell icon. You'll get notifications every time we post a new recipe. We'll see you next time.